Hello everyone, this is Jeff of Taofledermaus. This is a re-uploaded version of the solid gold and solid silver shotgun slugs that we posted earlier this year. Because of YouTube's new rules regarding firearms, particularly how to manufacture ammunition, I'm going to have to delete the original video because it had about 30 seconds worth of footage showing how I loaded these into a shotgun shell. The company that made these slugs for us went through a lot of trouble and a lot of expense, and I would hate to see that video just disappear.
Hey guys, I'm Preston and I'm here at Diana Ray Jewelry. Here at our store we deal with fine metals and precious gemstones every single day, and so to kick our year off we wanted to send some pure silver and pure gold slugs to the guys at Taofledermaus. We were able to create these awesome pieces by first off making a wax mold, casting them, and then turning them on a lathe so they are precision fit for a 12 gauge shotgun. The pure silver slug weighs in a little over an ounce and is worth approximately $20, and is also perfect for killing those vampires. The 24 karat gold slug, which is pure gold, comes in at almost 2 ounces and is almost the same size as the silver. That's how much heavier it is. And in today's market value, that comes in at almost $2,600. I hope you guys have some fun shooting these. I hope they shoot straight because we will need these back.
Now I have links in the description to all their social media and their website, and hey, these guys support our channel, so I hope you guys will support them and think about buying some jewelry from them.
Welcome back, Taoflader folks. Jeff and the OG out here today. I wore this ridiculous getup for you, Preston. So we brought out here, you've seen the little teaser video, the all solid gold slug. Right here in my hands, folks, I hold a $2,600 solid gold slug sent to us by Preston at Diana Ray Jewelers in Lafayette, Louisiana. Solid gold, the thing is awfully dang heavy. We're going to put it in a shotgun and see what we can do. It is accompanied by a solid silver slug, considerably less value to this, but we're curious as to what it's going to do. So I'm going to try and shoot this with all of my solid gold here. Real gold. I picked this up from Diana Ray Jewelers too. Well, actually, I may or may not.
They have a little classier looking.
They have a little bit
there.
classier gold down there at Diana Ray. So let's try shooting some real gold. Isn't that weird?
2 ounces. 2 ounces, baby.
2 ounces.
That's got to be the most expensive bullet, slug, or whatever in the world.
Yeah.
Even I don't think that even the military would pay for that.
We thought a $10 RIP slug was expensive for a round. How about 2,600 bucks? The perfect home defense round for the Trump mansion.
Oh boy, I'm triggered. Silver slug. It's only $20, so.
No werewolves in sight.
Fire when ready. Oh yeah, oh boy.
Showed the whole table.
So we had 1338, it was going supersonic. We didn't load it exceptionally hot.
That's better than Sonic.
Yeah, it's super.
Super Sonic.
Super duper
That's Sonic with a red cape on.
The silver slug performed beautifully, very stable, just a little bit of a waggle to it, but still, look at the accuracy on that thing. That's better than I expected.
That's not how you're supposed to use a screwdriver.
Well, I've also never extracted a silver slug with this kind of bling on my hands.
That's
before,
true,
so,
yeah.
You know, there's
Just don't hit the slug with the screwdriver tip. Oh, wow, that thing went in there far.
Looks like we've got...
What?
Well, that's an old pistol round. That's probably not part of what we need to save.
Oh,
There it is. Look at that.
that thing went in there quite far.
Quite a bit. That's what, 3-4 inches? And I just about hit it with a screwdriver. But
Yeah.
we did miss it.
That
And
almost went through.
look at that. It's fully intact, Preston. That is good work. That thing could be reloaded and shot again. Or put on a fancy necklace. And hung right here. Wow.
Quit moving around. Trying to zoom in on it.
You talked about my shaky camera work.
I know, I know.
Look at that.
Yeah, you weren't supposed to see that comment.
Look at that.
Fantastic. Okay, I feel pretty good now. That's half the battle. That thing did exceptionally well.
You won silver at the Winter Olympics.
Yeah. For not being a ammo manufacturer,
Yeah, that's pretty good work.
yeah, the tried and true Diablo shape comes through again.
And that's 1 ounce of silver, so that's just like the lead slugs that we've shot out here. This is like your standard Walmart lead slug, 1 ounce.
Yep, yep. Okay, you ready for the solid gold
This time
dancers?
This time we'll do the real gold slug.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Gotta have a cliffhanger there, guys.
Solid gold.
Yes, sir. Where will you be aiming? Right in the middle of the tie there?
I'm going to try and put it right on his brown tie, dead center,
Okay.
solar plexus area, sternum area.
Gotcha. Are you ready?
No.
I'm not either.
All right.
We need to just get it over with, though.
All right.
Like pulling off a Band-Aid. Whenever you're ready.
Here we go. Solid gold.
Oh, yeah, right in the tie.
And a tie. Solid gold.
Now we were filming in pretty lousy lighting conditions for a high-speed camera. It's great for a chronograph. We were operating the Chronos at 3,000 frames a second. Got some pretty decent imagery there. Impact was pretty substantial. Let's see if we can find that slug.
So aiming for dead center of Doug's tie. It might have hit a little low. I thought I was aiming about here. Plowed right through the tie, believe it or not. Not a bulletproof tie.
Oh,
And then right into our CGG Tulare, California t-shirt.
Chevron Gas and Goodies.
Chevron
Thank
gas
you.
and goodies. Thanks, Omar.
Omar is awesome.
Let's take a look here on the TFM surgery table. Look at that. It's waiting for us.
Oh, there it is.
It's waiting for us
It's-
right there on top layer.
Fantastic. Man, I feel so much better now.
Yeah.
Recover that thing.
That couldn't have gone any better.
Oh, it's
So
a
it's still
little.
warm. It's a little shinier,
It is.
and that is heavy. A little deformed. More deformed than the silver was, but
Yeah, I don't think we lost any metal. That was the
look down
goal.
in there. There's little burned Kevlar fibers as they
Wow.
stretch and compact.
Wow. Bizarre.
But yeah, how about that? We'll put it. Let's not drop that one.
Yeah.
We'll put it right here with all this other bling, so you can compare it to real gold and jewels.
Oh, yes, baby. That's good.
That's crazy. I mean, where did it go? Where did
Oh, no.
No. We've got it for you, Diana Ray. We will send it back.
Yep.
And look, we didn't need all that 18 layers of Kevlar.
Yeah, we had plenty of Kevlar there. They had a fiberglass ballistic panel behind it, and
It hit him like a sledgehammer, like any old slug.
yeah, it.
But layer number 1 caught it, like most slugs. So perfect for home defense for all you Tauflader folks who are always looking for the perfect home defense round.
There you go.
There it is.
A little pricey, but
Yeah.
it is perfect.
Sell some.
That's what.
Sell some cans and bottles. Trade in your Xbox games.
That's the price you pay for perfection for a home defense round. Wow.
More gold than Big Daddy King's too.
I want to thank Diana Ray Jewelry in Preston for sending us these slugs and putting a lot of trust in us to, shoot them, recover them, and send them back. That's an awesome company, and I hope you guys will support them and think about buying some jewelry from them.